how do you take a Google form and make it a quiz? It is super easy. So I've opened this tone mood response sheet. It's also one that I'm working with on the Flubaroo tab of this website. So here I've got my Google form with all the questions I have on it, and when I want to turn this into a quiz, I'm just going to come up here to this little widget. And here's something really important. You need to know if you want to collect email addresses. I always say yes, because that way I can know who is who in case they don't fill out something correct. You may want to restrict it to FHSD users or not. That's up to you. You might want to have only one response if it's a quiz. And then you just come over here to quizzes. And it's really just as simple as this toggle. So you're going to turn on the toggle switch, and then you get to make these decisions. Do you want them to see their overall score right after they submit? Maybe so. Do you want to see missed questions, correct answers, the point value? That's all things you get to decide. And then click Save. Now, to make a question a quiz, you're going to click on a question. Here, I'll start with a new one. Click on a question, and then you want to click on where it says Answer Key. You tell them which answer is the correct answer, and you assign point value. It's that easy. That's all you have to do. You've said quiz up here, you've given it the correct answers, and then when responses come in, now these are 5 responses that I just randomly did, so they're all me. But you do have information, like you have a summary of the answers and frequently missed questions. Here are the emails of all the students who took it. You can see I did it 5 times. It's all my same email. And then they do list the last names. Another feature that I like on this is the individual. So I can go from person to person and see what they missed. I can also see their score right here. So their email will pop up if you click Gather Email, and then you can see their score, and that can be good for entering into the gradebook. There are a lot of great features on here for you to check out. I highly recommend using this because you can use it again and again, year after year. All you have to do when you want to use it again is either make a copy and clear the responses. You can stop accepting responses here and delete all responses right there if you want to do it for the next year. All right, happy quiz time.